Hello, and let's do the news.
First order of business is the Ferrari F8 Tributo, which replaces the 488 model. It utilizes a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 710 horsepower and 568 pounds-feet of torque. That's enough to propel this 1,330-kilogram vehicle from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 2.9 seconds, and top speed is 340 kilometers an hour. It'll be on sale later this year. Next up is the new Audi R8 Decennium edition. It celebrates the 10th anniversary of the 10-cylinder R8 model, and it features a 5.2-liter V10 which produces 611 horsepower and 428 pounds-feet of torque. It'll sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers in about 3 seconds and top out at 331 kilometers an hour. Only 222 examples will be made, and they'll be priced from 222,000 euros. Now check this out. This is the era's design Project 1, also known as the Project Panther. It pays homage to the Tomaso Pantera from the 1970s, but under the carbon fiber skin of this Coachbuilt vehicle is a very modern Lamborghini Huracan, along with its 5.2-liter V10 producing around 640 to 660 horsepower. Each car will be tailor-made for the clients, so pricing info is not currently available, but that and other details will emerge when this car shows up at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show, which commences on March 7th, 2019.
And now onto the Canadian launch for the all-new BMW Z4.
BMW Z4. Agility, performance, and precise handling were top priorities in the development of the new Z4, ensuring that this new model arrived with genuine sports car pedigree. Its perfect 50-50 weight distribution, wide track stance, lightweight technology, and choice of two potent powertrains with up to 382 horsepower ensures that this new roadster fulfills the brand's promise of delivering the ultimate in open-air driving.